Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how to enable follow redirection, how to enable download resource feature or dependency file from your script in OctoPerf. So for just an example, I have created some simple home page call with a GET request, which is a staff and update website. So now, if you go to the advanced tab of your request, when go to the request, click on the request, so it will expand the request. Under the options, what you see here, go to the advanced. In advanced, you can disable or enable the follow redirects as per your requirement. So download now I'm enabling the download resource as well. So here show the count, the number of parallel downloads which is allowed by your script. So generally based on your requirement or based on your browser behavior, so like browser will have six Chrome browser will have six concurrent requests. IE will have two concurrent requests. So it depends on the version to version of Chrome browser and browser to browser. So just before declaring the your account, just go with your browser connection details. How many connections was opening for a download resources? Then you can give the same number of count here, and we can use this feature to download resources of the actual main request. So, but in OctoPerf, so after enabling just I'm replaying this. So in OctoPerf, it will not show you the all dependency request here while validating. And when any of the request fails in your dependency call or in a resource call, then the OctoPerf will show only that specific call which is written with 404, 503, so which is not 200, which is not 200 and 302 or 303. The response will be shown here. The response which is going to show here, the response going to show here will be the if all the calls get 200 or 302 or 301 200, then it will show the main request response here. It will show the main request response here. Otherwise, it will show the response of the dependency request which has failed to get 200. So this is how the OctoPerf will behave in dependency when you enable the download resources. When you enable the download resources, and it will show you. I mean, when you go to the follow redirects, it will show you the response of redirected page, not the first page. So make sure how you enabling it or disabling it. So this is one of the feature that we can disable the follow redirects and download resources for your script. And if you have 10 requests in 10 requests in your script, so there is no default option where you can on or you can enable or disable your follow redirects at single level. So like in JMeter, we have a request default. If you add the request defaults, we can enable it in a request default itself. So it will apply to all your requests. But here we don't have that feature. So if you want to get that feature, you need to add that feature in your JMeter. You need to download the script and you need to add that, and you need to upload the script to OctoPerf again. So thanks for your difference.